Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Boho Cottage Decor on a budget, affordable styling tips for a warm creative home. Boho Cottage Decor is charming, relaxed, and full of personality, but you don't need a big budget to bring it to life. With a few thoughtful choices and creative ideas, you can turn your space into a cozy retreat filled with warmth, texture, and artistic flair. This style combines the carefree vibe of bohemian design with the quaint, homey details of cottage living. It's all about layering soft textiles, adding nature-inspired accents, and choosing pieces that feel collected and loved. From flea market finds and handmade touches to second-hand furniture and affordable upgrades, boho cottage style is easy to achieve, even on a budget. It's less about perfection and more about creating a home that feels true to you. In today's video, we're sharing budget-friendly boho cottage decor ideas that bring comfort, creativity, and charm into your space. You'll see how to work with what you have, repurpose items, and add cozy elements like soft lighting, textured pillows, and vintage-inspired details. Whether you're styling a small nook or refreshing a whole room, these tips will help you create a look that feels effortlessly welcoming. So get inspired to rethink your space and make it a reflection of your unique style. And if you enjoy this kind of cozy, down-to-earth decorating, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more ideas here on Home Go Time. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video showed you that creating a warm, budget-friendly home is totally doable and completely beautiful. Let your creativity lead, mix in a little personality, and make your space feel like the restful retreat you deserve. Until next time, keep building a home that's creative, calm, and always full of heart.